Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today guys, yes, it's that time of month again. It's the monthly subscription boxes and I've got some bad news. Well, not bad news, but it is kind of bad news. I have actually gone ahead and cancelled 2 subscription boxes because I've been a subscriber of theirs for nearly 4 years now, and honestly last year's were bad, so I just thought I'd give it one more chance, and I cancelled the subscription, and this is the last box that I'll be receiving from 2 of the boxes. So find out which 2 boxes that I have cancelled. But before you do, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first up we have got Birchbox, and I've delayed doing this video because I was waiting for Birchbox, which it arrived on Friday. So are you ready? This is this month's Birchbox subscription box, and I absolutely love this. So you had the choice of either picking the purple or the green with the pink, but I think this is really cute. It's perfect for the summer, you know, if you're going out and about. Or it's a really nice pencil case as well. Penny's had her eye on it, and let's just say she's not having it. So let's get into what's inside. You got your standard info card, and then there you go, there it is. So it's green, like a turquoise there. I thought I'd go for the purple, something different, and I thought it goes more with my colour scheme than the green anyway. So first up we have a Sensory Retreats Divine Eyes Self-Heating Eye Mask. When you're feeling run down and stressed out from a jam-packed routine, it can be hard to switch off. Luckily, just 25 minutes is all it takes to magically melt away tension and eye strain with this self-heating eye mask. Using gently patented air activity eco steam technology, this mask delivers a pampering home spa experience. I think I'm going to use this straight after this video. I'm going to take all this off and then get that on and just really relax. I have been really struggling to sleep the last few days, and I'm having really late nights. I'm blaming Netflix, but it's keeping me going anyway. But yeah, I've been having a lot more late nights than I've been wanting to, so I think I just need to get myself back into the frame of mind, and also I'm back on my exercising as of today. So yeah, I'm hoping that it all goes well. So anyway, next up we have in here, what do we have? We've got one of these little babies. So I've got a pink one of these, the rose quartz one. So this is a natural green jade super polished gua sha. Is that how you say it? And the trendy jade gua sha is actually an ancient facial massage tool that has been used in beauty rituals for centuries. Used over moisturizer, facial oil or cream, the gua sha, I think that's how you say it, renews skin by increasing blood flow for lymphatic drainage, perfectly stimulating skin for the radiant depuffed result. So yeah, I think this is definitely something that I need just to rejuvenate and get my skin. I don't know, it's been really dry lately. It's the weather. I had a bad reaction obviously to the face mask, so yeah, we'll need to see what that's all about, but hopefully I need to get my skin back on track, so I need to really up my skincare game. Next up we have a product from Hygienes, and this is a Bois Rose Regenerating Face Cleanser. It's got like a medical smell to it. Infused with rosewood essential oil, glycerin, witch hazel, this gentle organic cleanser washes away all traces of impurities while working hard to improve skin regeneration, aka fine lines at bay. What's more, the nourishing blend of ingredients maintains your skin's natural moisture balance for a supple, radiant complexion. So I think I'm going to give that a try. I'm loving Birchbox. And then next up we have, this is from Botanic Beauty, a Velvet Rosebud Soothing Hand Cream. Ooh. And then the last product, so that's a full-size product. I think they're all full-size apart from the Hygienes, which retails at £22. I'm going to give that a try. It's an organic regenerating face wash, so it looks good. And then we've got here from Mako Beauty Flamingo Cheek and Lip Tint. Ooh. And it's a double duty beauty treat, perfectly blurs the lines between dewy gloss and lip and cheek stain, making it the perfect product to cheat a fresh, polished, no makeup glow. Use your fingertips to pat this flamingo pink shade onto your lips and the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush of colour. So because of how my skin is at the minute, I think I need to like move over to just like cream based products because it's so dry. I don't want to be using any powders at the minute, just so I can get it back to normal. Honestly, I've never had... Get comfortable. I've never felt like this with my skin before, so I don't know what's going on. I think it's just because I'm stuck in the house, central heating's on, and yeah, just everything. Life, isn't it? Life, and our skin takes it the toll, doesn't it? Takes the brunt of it all. So that is what's in Birchbox this month. I really like Birchboxes this month. It's really nice, it's really cute. So definitely holding on to that. That's Birchbox. Then next up we have Glossybox. I actually love the packaging. And yes, this is my final Glossybox box that I will be reviewing because I have actually cancelled Glossybox. I haven't been impressed with it, and I just think, I know it's not even fair, it's not even a lot of money, but I just think that there was no thought or anything put in, and they were just shoving in whatever products they could. There was a lot of duplicate products month after month, so it was probably just like them getting rid of whatever stock they had from the last batch. I don't know, but yeah, Glossybox unfortunately is the last time I will be reviewing the box on my channel. Okay, unless I decide to change my mind and sign up again, but we'll see. So yeah, I absolutely love this box. I love the whole sing, dance, love and repeat. But they always have to end it on a good one, I suppose. So yeah, good things must always come to an end, I suppose. But yeah, here we go. This is the info card. And what do we have here? I do love the packaging, so I'm gonna keep it and maybe put it up there with the rest and see, because it is really cute. Very 90s, isn't it? Okay, so we have a Steve Laurent Total Repair Lip Mask, and this is the full size and retails at £5. Then we have a Glow on Fifth Beauty Rose Gouache. So we've got another one. See, they're very repetitive, these subscription boxes sometimes. So yeah, I've got another one. I'll put this in the giveaway. That's rose quartz. That's plastic. Not rose quartz. Oh, okay, so it's not rose quartz. Yeah, no, it is. It's just a plastic one. I'll give that to Penny because she found mine and she's like, what do you do with that? So she can play with that one because it's only plastic, so she can have that. And that's £10. That's £10. I can get a rose quartz one for at least a tenner off Amazon, so no, that's not even worth £10. Sorry to say. Sorry to say. That's why I'm saying bye to Glossybox. Okay, so next up we have is a Bubble Tea Cosmetics Peach Bellini Hand Cream. So it's exactly the same, but Glossybox and Birchbox like in competition with each other. They've got a hand cream, a mask. The one's got an eye mask, the other one's got a lip mask. So this is packed with fresh scents of ripe peaches and a touch of bubbles, along with added aloe vera extract and ultra moisturising shea butter. This product is a real treat for your hands. Sweet and uplifting. This hand cream is guaranteed to nourish and soothe hands that have dried from the cold. So that's a nice hand cream. I might put that in the card because it's got a nice smell to it. And then next up we have one of my fave skincare brands is Avon, and this is a hyaluronic argan oil peony sweet almond lip scrub. Oh, I need that because my lips are really dry. That smells amazing. That smells so nice, so I'm definitely keeping this one. Give it a try, put that in the drawer. Like I said, Avon is my favourite, one of my favourite skincare brands. Okay, and then the last product, oh, and that's retailing at £58, so that's obviously the full size, unless it's the 10ml. I'll have a look on their website, but it is a very high-end skincare brand, so it won't surprise me if that's £58, but that's how much it's worth. And then the last product we've got is Nude Stick, and this is a colour gel lip and cheek balm, which is there. That's cute. So again, with the Birchbox, they had a lip and cheek balm as well, and this is exactly the same. So yeah, they're very, very similar, aren't they? Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed Glossybox, the last box, because like I said, this is the last one that I will be sharing on my channel unless I decide to change my mind or I manage to get my hands on the, you know, the like limited edition boxes, because they do really good boxes of that. I don't know, should I keep the subscription or should I just give it up? I don't know. I think I'm just going to give it a rest for a few months, and then if I start seeing that they've up in their game a bit, then I might subscribe again. But as I said, bye.
Goodbye.
Right then, next up we have Look Incredible. I absolutely love this one. It's one of the high-end brand boxes, and yeah, let's have a look what's in here. So we have ooh, what's in here? Nice. Honestly, since signing up to Look Incredible, I have literally started a nice little collection of Too Faced products. So this is the Longwear Matte Bronzer Dark Chocolate Soleil. Let's have a look at this. I've seen this and they say it smells of chocolate. It does as well. So that is what that bronzer looks like. It's a matte of, to give it a try. How gorgeous is the packaging. So yeah, that's worth £28. Then we have a Mimi Lash to Lash Volume Edition mascara, and this is £22. Let's have a look what the one looks like. Packaging is nice and oh, I like that. Nice. Interesting. Never heard of this brand before, so excited to give it a try. Then we have a Mimi lip liner, and this is £22 as well. Oh wow, the packaging is lovely. Oh, it's an eyeliner. I thought it was an expert liner. A precision liner that offers smudge resistant wear. The expert liner is also available in black. Oh, that's nice. Give that a try. I'm really bad at liner. I never put it on. That's a new thing another thing I need to try and master. Okay, next up we have a product from Lancome Blush, and this is retailing at £30. Wow. Ooh. Oh wow, what colour is this? God, that is so weird. It's like I thought it was a powder, but it's actually a cream. Oh, that's so nice and soft. It's a subtle cream, a blush subtle cream. So this is nice if you don't want to wear makeup, but you want to wear makeup. It's a Blush Effort Belmite Healthy Glow Blush. It's a limited edition, but yeah, it's like quite spongy. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Oh, that's so cool. I actually like that. That feels weird. Give it a try. No makeup day, shall I say. So that's that, and that's retailing at £30, but I think I already said that. And then next up, the last product is a MAC lipstick. This is a MAC Powder Kiss lipstick, and it's retailing £19, and it's in the shade Burning Love. That's nice, isn't it? That's a nice colour, like a dark berry colour. And yeah, that is what's inside Look Incredible this month, so thank you very much. Got some good things in there as well. Oh, I can't wait to try that blush thing from Lancome. It's really nice. Okay, next up we have Look Fantastic, and this is the second box that I have actually unsubscribed to because I really wasn't impressed with the last few boxes I was getting from Look Fantastic, and yet again I just felt like there was not much thought and they were just putting whatever they can just to get rid of boxes. So Look Fantastic is another one that I have actually unsubscribed to, and I subscribed to those two both 4 years ago, so yeah, they've gone. This is the last time you'll see them, and again, if I decided to change my mind, because that happens a lot and I end up putting them on, but that's what I did with Latest in Beauty, and I was kind of glad that I got rid of that. But anyway, right then, let's go. See, another one. So we've got an Illamasqua Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. I've had this how many times in these boxes? It's just one of those products that seems to pop up every so often. Got loads of these, so it's going to go in the giveaway. Yeah, I know what that is. So it's a skin glowing gel. There you go. Then we have, God, it looks massive in the thing, but it's tiny, like literally tiny. And this is a liquid eyeshadow from Ico, is it? Yep, so little cute little liquid eyeshadow there. Oh no, it's not a lip gloss. What? Oh, it's a lid. It's a lid gloss, not a lip gloss. I have to spell that wrong. Anyway, so that's a lid gloss. And it's a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess free and quick to apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. Wipe colour across the lid using the applicator, build up when necessary, and blend using either a finger or eyeshadow brush. And I've got the shade Zodiac, which is a warm rosy copper. Oh, I like that. Give that a try and see, but like I said, it's tiny. Okay, and then next up we have a Balance Me product. I absolutely love this brand as well, and this is a Heart Glow Mask, a triple action chemical exfoliation mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. So yeah, that's another product that I'm going to give a try. Then we have a Magnitone Wipeout Swipes eco-friendly microfiber removing pad. So we've got some removal pads there, makeup wipe. Oh, they're cute. They're actually quite cute to have in your bag. You know, like when we used to go out, by the time we got in the car and drive home, I'd have all my makeup off because I'd have wipes and just take it off, because I'm very like, once I'm in the car I need to get everything off, jewellery, everything, even makeup. So they're quite cute to have in the car with a bit of micellar water just to pour it on and then wash it off like that, maybe. Yeah. Okay, and then next up we have from Bubble Tea, and this is a hand and body butter from Strawberry Macaroon. I'm going to smell like, oh my god, that is delicious. And this is, like this was in Glossybox, wasn't it? Yep. So that's Bubble Tea as well. And then last product is, you either get the Elemis or the Madara. And I've got the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. So it's an enzymatic cream exfoliator. Natural exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect and clarify your skin. Ideal for all complexions. This exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. The result, smooth, moisturised and brighter skin. So it's got papaya, pineapple, algae, seaweed extract, milk protein, sunflower oil and vitamin E. So this is another skincare product that I'm going to try and see if I can fix this mess. And yeah, that is the last Look Fantastic box that I have purchased. So thank you very much, Look Fantastic. I wish you all the best. I actually haven't been impressed with them for a long time. Is that really bad? I feel really guilty, but there is actually, I think, Look Fantastic and Glossybox, they started off, you know, really well, and now like they've got bigger and stuff like that, but there's just some amazing other boxes out there that are starting out, and you know, I can give my support to, so I'm definitely going to carry on doing that. And then the last box that I've got is the Beguile Beauty Box. I absolutely love this. So this is another high-end box, and this is really heavy. This is January's box. Oh, hello. What do we have in here? Oh, wow. Right then, so this is what I call a box. We have a Illamasqua eyeshadow palette, and this is Electrify Artistry palette. Let me see if I can open this without ruining this. I love the shape of Illamasqua's. Oh wow, they're nice. That is so cool. The packaging is gorgeous. So we could give a few little tryouts of this and see what we come up with. We'll see. Or shall I save it and do it a giveaway as a giveaway gift? I'll see. Okay, then we've got some Laura Geller Dewy Dream Illuminating Drop in Opal Crush. I've got these already, so I will be putting them in the giveaway box. And then next up we have from Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes, and what are these? Eye mask, anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. There's 12 pairs in there. God, that costs a bit. So yeah, give that a try. I've never heard of Grace and Stella, or have I? It rings a bell. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. And then we have a My Kitco brush, and this is the My Fluff and Buff, and that's what that looks like. Almost need a buffing brush like that. That can go in my brush box. And then the last product that we have is from Be Perfect Cosmetics, and this is an eyeshadow priming base. Oh wow, I can try it with their eyeshadows and see if it suits it, because you know sometimes products goes really well with the brand itself. So I've got all of the eyeshadow palettes, so I might give this a go with that and see how it goes. I'm wearing shadow, crease free, vibrant colour, smooth application, so we'll give that a go. Oh wow, it's like a skin tone primer. So yeah, that's it. That is all of the subscription boxes this month. So thank you Beguile, Look Fantastic, Glossybox, Birchbox and Look Incredible for your amazing boxes. Like I said, I have now unsubscribed to Look Fantastic and Glossybox. I think they're a fab brand and amazing brands and that, but I just haven't been happy with the boxes in the last few months, so I just think it was time to just knock a few on the head, and they're the two that I've decided to cancel. Beguile Beauty is like it's a more small business run box, so I'd love to support that as much as I can. And Birchbox, I love Birchbox. I can't say I've complained about a Birchbox box before. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? And Look Incredible, it's a really good brand as well. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I shall see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.